Ever pondered the significance of WordPress security? If not, it's high time to give it due thought. WordPress, being the most popular content management system worldwide, is a frequent target of cyber threats. Hence, securing a WordPress site is not just an option, it's a necessity. Let's start by discussing the steps to secure a WordPress site. Step 1 is to keep WordPress up to date. WordPress core, plugins, and themes are frequently updated to patch vulnerabilities and provide enhanced features. Ignoring these updates is like leaving the door open for hackers. So always make sure your WordPress site is running the latest versions. The second step is to use strong, unique passwords. A weak password is like a weak lock, easy to break. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to fortify your password. Also, never reuse passwords, as this increases the risk of multiple site compromises. Step 3 is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond just the password. Even if a hacker cracks the password, they would still need the second form of identification to gain access. Step 4 is to limit login attempts. By setting a limit on the number of failed login attempts, you can prevent hackers from using brute force attacks to crack your password. After a certain number of failed attempts, the user should be locked out for a specified period. The fifth step is to use a secure host. A good hosting provider will have robust security measures in place, including firewalls, intrusion detection, and regular backups. Step 6 is to install a WordPress security plugin. These plugins can provide a range of security features, including malware scanning, firewall settings, and security hardening. The final step is to regularly back up your site. Backups are your safety net in case your site does get compromised. With a recent backup, you can restore your site to its previous state. To wrap it up, WordPress security is a critical aspect that should never be overlooked. Keep your WordPress up to date, use strong and unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, limit login attempts, opt for a secure host, install a security plugin, and regularly back up your site. Following these steps will go a long way in keeping your WordPress site safe and secure. Remember, security is not a one-time thing, but a continuous process. Stay vigilant, stay secure.